Now to this, 2 Carolinians receiving the nation's highest civilian honor, the Presidential Medal of Freedom. President Biden bestowed that honor on 19 people, including Representative Jim Clyburn of South Carolina and Senator Elizabeth Dole from North Carolina. Representative Clyburn and Senator Dole have been leading by example in the halls of government for decades.
You're a trailblazer, Elizabeth. The first woman in nearly every public service position you held over 4 decades. I served with her in the United States Senate, and she's a fierce advocate for military and families and their caregivers.
President Biden presenting 19 exemplary Americans who have contributed to the United States in a significant way.
Always grounded in faith, family, and service, Jim has guided South Carolina and our country with a steady hand and an honest heart for over the last half-century.
Among these men and women are 2 Carolinians who, in the president's words, are the pinnacle of leadership in their areas.
James E. Clyburn.
President Biden honoring Representative James Clyburn from South Carolina, who he says transformed the lives of millions of Americans and created a freer country for countless years.
Jim Clyburn is a beacon of moral clarity. A graduate of South Carolina State University, this student of history became a teacher and movement leader for a fairer and freer America.
Next,
Elizabeth Dole.
the president going on to say that Dole was one of a kind and continues to work tirelessly to support military caregivers and their families.
Elizabeth Dole was the first woman to hold nearly every position she had. Over the course of 4 decades in public service, she served as the Secretary of Transportation, Secretary of Labor, President of the American Red Cross, and Senator from North Carolina.
An indelible mark left on 2 careers that span more than 3 decades.